Yo, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Reaction TV Official mga kapatid. For every action, there is a reaction mga kapatid. So yun, no? So may nakita akong isang channel dito sa YouTube na dumaan sa aking wall, no? Dumaan sa aking channel at nagpakita sa recommended. Yun, no? Ang tawag na nga, ang channel niya is Rich Addict. Yun, no? So, ang una kong pinuntahan at nakita ko at siyempre in-explore ko yung channel niya, may nakita ko itong isang content niya, no? In-upload niya to 1 year ago. So, napakatagal na. 1 year ago at ang nanood lang dito, 24 views lang. Grabe. So, ito yung, ang pamagat ng kanyang title dito is The Richest YouTubers in the World. Grabe ito mga kapatid. Grabe. So, tungayan natin at sama-sama natin panoorin kung sino yung mga milyonaryo na YouTuber sa buong mundo mga kapatid. So, panoorin natin ito mga kapatid. So, papasukin natin si Rich Addict mga kapatid. So, kukunti lang yung kanyang subscribers, ano? Ang kanyang subscribers is 1,610 or something ang kanyang subscribers. At matagal na siyang huminto, no? Nahinto na to eh. Yung huling video niya 1 year ago na rin eh. Matagal na siyang hindi nag-upload. Ewan ko ano nangyari dito sa kanya. Pero magaganda rin magaganda yung mga upload niya. Nakita ko yung mga upload niyang video. So ito yung una kong nagustuhan na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo mga kapatid, ano? Yung pinakamayaman na YouTuber sa buong mundo. Grabe, oh. Ito yung kilala ko, isa dito eh. Ito yung kilala ko, si The Beast. Malupit yan. Lagi yan nasa recommended ng YouTube. Pagbukas mo ng YouTube, yan ay nakikita mo kaagad. Pumunta ka sa mag-log out ka sa account mo sa YouTube. Gumamit ka ng walang account na YouTube. Ayan ang lalabas, channel ni The Beast. Yan talaga ang lagi na sa recommended. Yun ang mayayaman sa YouTube, eh, no? So, sige na, panoorin natin. Rich Addict, papasukin natin to. Pasok na. Pisahan na natin. Ayan, oh. 8 minutes lang siya, pero okay na.
The richest YouTubers in the world.
Yun.
When YouTube was created back in 2005, who would have thought that 16 years down the line, this platform would change the lives of so many people? YouTube has evolved the way of sharing video content, and today, YouTube is the world's biggest and easiest video sharing platform. With 1,300,000,000 daily users on YouTube today, the most prominent YouTubers are as popular as the top Hollywood stars. They are now big celebrities and household names. Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Rich Addict. And in today's video, we'll be looking at the wealthiest YouTubers in the world. But before we get into today's video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on our post notifications so you never miss out on our uploads. And now, with the intro out of the way, let's get into the video. Number 5, Mr. Beast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, valued at $24 million.
Grabe, no?
Along with having around more than 7 million subscribers than the Ryan's World YouTube channel, Donaldson's fortune is currently $5.5 million short of being the largest among
Noon
YouTubers.
yan, pero ngayon, ang laki ng subscribers nila.
As one of YouTube's most extensive stars, it is still stunning enough for almost 50 million subscribers. As a matter of fact, his ambition is far more than those 100 million
mapapasa na all ka na lang talaga.
billion views during 2021.
Wala akong masabi dito kundi sana all. Sana all. Para hindi na rin ako magtrabaho ng day job, ano? Tutok na lang sa YouTube, ano? Full time ka sa YouTube. Ang grabe. Kung meron ka na 1 million na subscriber, grabe, ang gagawin mo na lang, magsipag ka na lang, magsipag. Magsipag ka na mag-upload ng video sa isang araw. Yayaman ka na eh. Pagka meron ka ng ganyang subscribers at talagang meron kang, sabihin na natin meron kang 100,000 subscribers na talagang nanonood sa'yo, bawat upload mo 100,000. Ang laking pera na nun, mga kapatid. Ang laking pera na nun. Tapos hindi pa nag-escape ng ads. Oh wow, mas lalong lalaki. Grabe. So, kunti natin panoorin, mga kapatid. 2021.
His videos combine stunts and humor. In the past half a year, Jimmy experienced prison life, built the most massive Lego tower in the world, sat in a tub of snakes for $10,000, and much, much more. No one would deny all these incredible videos. Number 4, Ryan's World, valued at $32 million. Is it unbelievable that the richest YouTuber in 2021 is a 9-year-old boy? Ryan Kaji, whose YouTube channel name is Ryan's World, managed to get 30 million subscribers in over 5 years and is one of the most successful kid YouTubers. Ryan Kaji is not only one of the richest YouTube stars, but also one of the youngest. Ryan's World channel started on YouTube in 2015, and Ryan's mom quit her job to give extreme focus to grow this YouTube channel. Ryan is crazy about doing lots of funny things like pretend play, science experiments, music videos, skits, challenges, do-it-yourself arts and crafts, and more. Ryan turned his hobbies into innovative educational videos, which inspired millions of children.
Mayaman na ito, dami ng ipon tong batang ito.
2020, and the pandemic worked well for growing his channel. Forbes listed this incredibly young YouTuber as the highest
nung nag-pandemic, lalong lumaki ang view nito.
Some $26 million in total.
Ayo.
Ryan's parents currently run 9 different YouTube channels, and all these channels cover toy reviews, with Ryan participating in various competitions, challenges, and do-it-yourself science experiments. Ryan's World has a branded clothing.
Mahirap i-manage yun, mga kapatid. Grabe, meron pala siyang Sham. Meron siyang Sham na channel sa YouTube. Napakahirap i-manage dun, mga kapatid. So, malamang sa malamang at 100% or 101%, meron siya talagang team na gumagawa ng kanyang na meron siyang, kompleto na yung team niya. Sigurado ako, hindi lang nag-iisa. May team na ito, no? Kumbaga sa meron na siyang opisina, no? Na Ryan's World Office, na lahat ng mga tao niya doon, empleyado niya, may kanya-kanyang ginagawa. Kasi Sham ang kanyang channel, mga kapatid. Kung yun lahat ay million subscribers, lahat ang channel niya ay hindi basta-basta ang trabaho. Sub-sub sa trabaho itong mag-aama, mag-iina na to, grabe. Siyempre, mag-upload kayo sa kailangan mag-upload ko sa lahat ng channel. Sham yung channel niya, mga kapatid. So lahat yun, a-upload mo araw-araw yun. Or hindi hindi ko alam kung paano yung flow ng kanya pag-upload, o once a week ba siya nag-upload, or twice a week, or once bi-weekly, parang ganun ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano siya mag-upload. Pero mahirap talaga, mga kapatid. Sham na account sa YouTube, napakahirap na, mga kapatid. Yung isa nga lang, mga kapatid, napakahirap i-manage Dalawa, grabe, mahirap yan. So, believe ako. Kaya lalong yayaman tong batang ito. Tsaka sila. Hindi naman yung bata may utak dito Yung mga magulang, syempre, ginagamit lang yung bata nila, no? So, syempre, account ni Ryan. So, siya yung, ewan ko, inananak nila. So, papanoorin natin. Grabe, ang laking pera nito. Ang laking pera nito. Ryan's World.
He also signed a deal for a television series with Nickelodeon and Amazon.
Talaga?
Number 3, Markiplier, valued at $35 million.
Hindi ko gaano kilala
Yet another gaming video producer made his way to the list of top richest YouTube superstars.
Oh yeah?
Markiplier, whose real name is Mark Fishbach, has a YouTube channel famous for his over-the-top playthroughs of video games. He is known for his excitable commentary style, which also involves swearing and yelling. Mark likes indie and horror video games, and for that reason, most videos on his Markiplier YouTube channel cover games such as Amnesia, The Dark Descent, or Slender, The 8 Pages. Mark Edward Fishbach is estimated to have a personal wealth of some $28 million. In 2015, his channel broke the 10 million subscriber milestone and has continued to grow since then. His channel has over 26 million subscribers and nearly 14 billion total views.
Wow.
In his journey so far,
nito.
he has started several YouTube channels, collaborated with well-known people, raised vast amounts of money for charity, and gained the most generous
collaborate sa mga kilalang tao
In addition to being one of the most popular YouTubers in 2021, Mark is also a voice actor who appeared in several TV shows. Number 2, PewDiePie, valued at $52 million.
Wow.
PewDiePie is the pseudonym of
PewDiePie.
Felix Jelberg, who started his YouTube channel in 2019 by posting gaming commentary videos.
So mga gaming siya, no?
PewDiePie's interests in high school were art
Lupit,
and
ah.
gaming. He bought a computer by selling his art. He also used to skip classes to play video games.
Mga gaming talaga kasi yung mga gantong gaming na ano, no, ang talagang maraming subscriber kasi yung mga bata lalo, yung anak ko lalo na. Yung bunso ko, yun na lang ginagawa niya lagi, yung nanonood ng video sa YouTube. Sa mga ganyan, yung gaming pinapanood nila. Pag na-curious ako, tinignan ko yung mga channel na pinapanood niya. Aba, million na mga subscribers, tsaka yung mga views niya, grabe, ang lalaki. So, yun na laging pinapanood niya. Napakarami niyang channel na pinapanood yung anak ko. Meron siyang TV niya sa sarili niyang kwarto, ang laki ng TV niya doon. Tapos meron siyang mga gadgets, syempre, yung mga bata, no? Hindi mawala yan eh. So, nandun na yun. Pagpasok mo sa kwarto niya, kita mo, grabe yung pinapanood yung mga, yung mga gaming na sa live streaming na gaming, pinapanood niya yung mga ganun. Grabe. So, talagang, sabi ko nga, ba't hindi ka gumawa ng channel mo sa YouTube para habang naglalaro ka sa games mo, i-upload na sa video. Sabi niya, hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yun, sabi niya. So, hindi ko na inano. Hindi siya interesado eh.
With friends. PewDiePie graduated from high school in 2008. Then he dropped out of the Chalmers University of Technology in 2011. He started his gaming
Delikado
channel
ako sa
in
ano na to.
2010 while playing action
Delikado ako sa background music
video
nito.
games. The early days weren't easy as there weren't any big gaming channels at the time. So now that we think of it, PewDiePie's rise came at the perfect time. Everything worked out in the end, as Felix had 5 million subscribers in 2012, which was the most at the time. He recorded his gaming sessions and commented on his experiences, which were very well received by the audiences and are thoroughly enjoyed by the incredibly huge fan base. PewDiePie became famous in his early starring weeks because there was no big gaming channel at that time. PewDiePie has achieved an astonishing 107 million subscribers
Wow!
and over 26 billion views in total, and is reported to have a net worth of approximately $30 million.
Oh, wow.
He is
Holy
now
cow.
also the most subscribed individual user channel on
Ang dami,
YouTube.
nakakalula ang pera
He's the
nito.
third most subscribed channel as well.
126
Number
million
one,
ang
Jeffree
subscribers
Star,
niya.
valued at $200 million.
Holy cow.
Jeffree Star has had a social media following since the days of MySpace, where he had a blog about beauty, fame, and life in general. Jeffree was a makeup artist and spent most of her time in modeling and makeup jobs.
Grabe, ang laki.
Jeffree was part of MySpace and had one of the largest followings. He received tens of thousands of
Bakla
comments on his
ito eh.
posts. He blogged about life,
Ayun si
fame,
The Beast, oh.
beauty, and posted his music. His first video on YouTube was in 2009. It was actually to promote his music career. In 2014, Jeffree went bankrupt and was losing his music career as his career just wasn't panning out. He used all his life savings to start Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and now he uses his YouTube channel to promote his brand. And his company crosses a revenue of $100 million every year. It's pretty safe to
Grabe.
say that spending his life savings was money well spent.
Napakayaman
Jeffree
ng
also
mga
made
ito.
$18 million off of YouTube alone in the year 2018.
Holy cow. Holy
Well,
shit.
guys, that's all we have for you
Ang
today.
daming pera nito,
What are
mga
your
kapatid.
thoughts on these super rich YouTubers?
Grabe, no? So, sobrang yayaman ng mga YouTuber na to, no? Akala ko hindi kasi ako gano'n nag-explore ng mga talagang YouTuber na mayayaman, yung mga malaking channel. Itong si The Beast kasi, tuloy lagi kong nakikita sa YouTube. Yung mga iba, hindi ko na nakikita yun. Si Ryan's World, at saka si The Beast lang nakikita ko dito sa channel ko eh. Pero at the rest, hindi ko nakita yun. Ngayon ko lang nakita talaga. Ganun pala kalaki. Grabe. Yung number one na yung bakla, si Jeffree ba yun? Ilan yung subscribers niya? 128 million subscribers. Grabe. So sabi mo meron na siyang 1 million nanonood. Ilan yung revenue niya sa isang taon? 100 million. Grabe. Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga, mga kapatid. So yun, mga kapatid, grabe, ang lupit, ang yayaman ng mga YouTuber, So talagang, kung masipag lang talaga, kaya yung nakakapanood dito, mga kapatid, kung meron kayong sa isang bagay na magaling o ginagawa sa buhay ninyo na kakaiba, pwede kayong gumawa ng channel nyo mga kapatid, pwede yung pagkakitaan at talagang yayaman kayo mga kapatid kung talagang yung gagawin nyo is unique, kayo lang ang gagawa pala ngayon, kayo lang ang gagawa sa YouTube doon. Maniwala ka sa akin kapatid, yayaman ka mga kapatid. Grabe yan. Tingnan mo yung mga ginagawa nila Yung sa gamings lang, nagla-live lang sa game Tingnan mo naman, sila pala yung malalaking YouTuber dito sa YouTube yung mga gaming channel pala yung malalaki. Grabe. Hindi kasi ako mahilig sa mga gaming, sa online gaming, tsaka yung mga ganyan. Kung mahilig lang ako maglaro, baka yun ang ginawa kong channel Hindi kasi ako mahilig Ang mahilig ko lang manood, mag-comment. Yun lang ang hilig ko kasi. Hilig ko lang kasi yung nanonood ako ng mga horror, yung mga daily raw vlog. Yun at saka mahilig ako mag-comment. Yun lang kaya ganito yung ginawa ko na niche ko mga kapatid, Pero dati talaga ang channel ko talaga mga kapatid is walking video tour. So naglalakad-lakad lang ako na hindi ako nagsasalita. Binibideo ko lang yung surroundings ko, yun lang. Pero napansin ko kasi every winter hindi ako pwede lumabas mga kapatid kasi hindi ko kayang maglakad sa labas ng napakalamig tsaka yung madulas. Mahihirapan ako kaya hininto ko yun. Tapos pinasok ko ang cooking vlogging. Nung una okay pa kasi nga marami pa akong idea na lutuin, pero nung naluto ko na lahat ng idea na lutuin, yun na nagsimula na hindi ko na alam kung ano lulutuin ko. So nag-upload lang ako ng isang video sa isang araw. Mga kapatid araw-araw nagluluto ako noon, palibagong luto. Nagluluto ako tapos pag hindi namin nakain, nire-rep ko yon. So hanggang masira. So naiipon yung pagkain sa rep hindi nakakain. So mami ko sayang. Nagsasayang lang ako ng pagkain dito. So yun, hininto ko na naman. Ito na nakita ko, yung ganito na, yung reaction video na. Sana magtuloy-tuloy itong reaction. Gusto ko rin gumawa ng mga video na ako yung magkukwento. Kaso nga lang problema ko, hindi ko lang kung paano ko gagawin. Baka alam nyo paano gawin mga kapatid. Turuan nyo kung paano gawin. Yung parang nagkukwento ka lang tapos kumuha ka lang ng clip. Kasi yung clip na kukunin mo napakadelikado malaki ang chance na makapiright ka kasi 100% screen ipe-play mo tapos ipe-play mo magsasalita ka lang doon na wala naman nakikita. Delikado yun. So hindi ko alam kung paano ginagawa nila Yung ginagawa nila kasi ni-edit nila yung hinto-hinto tapos kung sinusum nila yun, hindi ko alam kung paano gawin yun sa editing So mahina ako sa mga kapatid. So yun, sana nagustuhan nyo mga kapatid, sana nagustuhan nyo yung video na to at sana manood kayo sa aking channel. See you on my next video mga kapatid. Bye-bye!